can't believe it, you guys. 400,000 followers on my Facebook. Ano ba? Rar. Nang-aano kayo? I'm currently on set. Hindi po ako buntis. In case you guys are wondering, bakit ang laki ng tiyan ito? May kabag ba to? Hindi po. I love being a part of the Darman fam. Here to represent the Philippines. Mabuhay. Many of you have come to know me because of my Darman videos where I usually play the gold digger or the villain or the Karen, but I've also played some protagonist roles, and thank you so much for supporting any character that I have. If I piss you off, just know that I'm doing it professionally. I don't mean to. I'm sorry to give you guys like high blood. Diba? Huwag kayo masyadong magalit sa akin kasi hindi ko naman sinasadya. Nagtatrabaho lang ako kasi ano gagawin ko kung hindi ako nagtrabaho? Hindi ako cute, hindi ako mag-rar, tapos hindi masipag. L. Thank you all so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for your support and for always watching Darman videos. Some of you get really mad at me. I'm sorry. I'm just here to work, okay? I'm here to professionally piss you off. Some of you call me the pambansang gold digger. Okay lang, ayos lang yun. In-embrace ko na lang. Nang-aano lang ako kasi kailangan ko magtrabaho. Pag hindi ako nagtrabaho, edi tamad ako, and that's not rar. I will always be here to love you and inspire you in whatever work I do, whether that be acting, content creation, or singing.